Peace and blessings. I am Jay the Practitioner. I am a licensed spiritual practitioner. Let me ask you a question. What if healing isn't about becoming something new? What if healing isn't about becoming something new? What if healing is simply about recognizing and remembering the wholeness that has always been with you? That has always been with you. Think about that. Think about that. So often, we think healing means fixing what's wrong. We don't need to be fixed. None of us need to be fixed. True healing begins when we stop identifying with our wounds, with our brokenness, and we start reconnecting to our wholeness. We stop identifying with our wounds, our hurts, our pains, and we identify to the truth of our being, our wholeness. Healing is our birthright. Healing is our birthright. Wholeness is our birthright. Think about that. Think about that. And yes, our bodies and minds go through challenges, no doubt. Life brings seasons of loss, pain, and uncertainty. I get it. But beneath all that is a deeper truth. A much deeper truth. You, me, all of us. We're so much more than our conditions. We are more than our conditions. We are more than our struggles. We're spiritual beings, whole, perfect, and complete at our core. We are spiritual beings, whole, perfect, and complete at our core. Think about that. Think about that. Now, healing isn't always an absence of difficulty. No. Sometimes healing is the presence of peace in the midst of it, in the middle of it. Think about that. Think about that. Remember this. Healing isn't about becoming whole. It's not about becoming whole. It's recognizing that you already are whole. It's recognizing and realizing that you are already whole, perfect, and complete. Think about that. Just think about that. Take a breath. Now, if this message spoke to your soul and it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, and I hope it did, go ahead, tap that subscribe button next to the channel. We would love to have you as part of our community. I would love to have you as part of our community. Until we meet again, peace and richest blessings. Namaste.